7 Pancake Recipes for Weight Loss. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Want to eat pancakes without undoing all of your weight loss progress? Then you've come to the right place. Our handmade collection of 7 scrumptious pancake recipes is the perfect way to indulge in your cravings while staying on a track with your healthy lifestyle. Each recipe is made with wholesome ingredients that are low in calories, but still packed with nutrients, so you can relish a pancake breakfast that is both satisfying and guilt-free. Without further ado, let's dive into our delicious recipe collection and kickstart your day with a yummy breakfast. Number 1. Vegan Pumpkin Pancakes, 220 calories. Vegan pumpkin pancakes are a delicious and healthy breakfast option that combines the seasonal flavors of pumpkin with the goodness of plant-based ingredients. With just 220 calories, these pancakes offer a guilt-free treat that can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. Pumpkin is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while the absence of animal products makes these pancakes cholesterol-free and lower in saturated fat. By choosing vegan pumpkin pancakes, you're indulging in a delightful combination of flavors while nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 cup pumpkin puree, 1/2 cups plant-based milk, such as almond or soy milk, 2 tablespoons maple syrup or sweetener of choice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 1/2 cups whole wheat flour or gluten-free flour blend, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, pinch of salt, and cooking spray or oil for greasing the pan. And here are the instructions for making a vegan pumpkin pancakes. Number 2. Carrot with banana, 290 calories. Carrot with banana pancakes is a nutritious and flavorful option for a healthy breakfast. With just 290 calories, these pancakes offer a delightful combination of sweetness and earthiness while providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Carrots are packed with antioxidants and beta-carotene, which promote healthy skin and support the immune system. Bananas add natural sweetness and contribute to the pancake's fluffy texture, while also providing potassium and vitamin C. By choosing carrot with banana pancakes, you're treating yourself to a breakfast that not only tastes delicious, but also nourishes your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 cup grated carrots, 1 ripe banana mashed, 1 cup whole wheat flour or oat flour, 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds or chia seeds, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, pinch of salt, 1 cup plant-based milk, such as almond milk or oatmeal, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and cooking spray or oil for greasing the pan. And here are the instructions for making a carrot with banana pancakes. Number 3. Chocolate with almond, 480 calories. Chocolate with almond pancakes offer a decadent and indulgent twist to a healthy breakfast. With 480 calories, these pancakes satisfy your sweet tooth while providing a dose of essential nutrients. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and may offer potential health benefits, including improved heart health and mood enhancement. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a nutritious addition to the pancakes. By choosing chocolate with almond pancakes, you can enjoy a delicious treat that combines the richness of chocolate with a crunch of almonds, all while supporting your well-being. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 cup whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons sugar or sweetener of choice, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, pinch of salt, 1 cup plant-based milk, such as almond milk or soy milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup dark chocolate chips, 1/4 cup chopped almonds, cooking spray or oil for greasing the pan. And here are the instructions for making a chocolate with almond pancakes. Number 4. Spinach oatmeal pancakes, 380 calories. Spinach oatmeal pancakes offer a unique and nutritious twist to your breakfast routine. With 380 calories, these pancakes are packed with wholesome ingredients that provide essential nutrients. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable that is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and fiber. Oats are a great source of complex carbohydrate and fiber, which help keep you full and provide sustained energy. By incorporating spinach and oatmeal into your pancakes, you can enjoy a delicious and filling breakfast that nourishes your body with important vitamins and minerals. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need to do these following ingredients. 1 cup baby spinach leaves, 1 cup rolled oats, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup plant-based, such as almond milk or coconut milk, 1 tablespoon maple syrup or sweetener of choice, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, pinch of salt, cooking spray or oil for greasing the pan. And here are the instructions for making a spinach oatmeal pancakes. Number 5. Blueberries with banana, 230 calories. Blueberries with banana pancakes offer a delicious and nutritious breakfast option. With 230 calories, these pancakes are packed with natural sweetness and essential nutrients. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, while bananas provide potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. By combining these two fruits in pancake form, you can enjoy a burst of flavor while nourishing your body. These pancakes are a great way to start your day on a healthy note and satisfy your cravings for something sweet. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need to do the following ingredients. 1 cup whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, pinch of salt, 1 ripe banana mashed, 1 cup plant-based milk, such as almond or oat milk, 1 tablespoon maple syrup or sweetener of choice, 1/2 cup fresh blueberries, cooking spray or oil for greasing the pan. And here are the instructions for making a blueberry with banana pancakes. Number 6. Beet pancakes, 280 calories. Beet pancakes are a unique and nutritious twist on traditional pancakes. With 280 calories, these pancakes are not only visually appealing with their vibrant color, but also offer a range of health benefits. Beets are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are known to support heart health, improve digestion, and boost energy levels. By incorporating beets into your pancake, you not only add a beautiful hue, but also provide your body with valuable nutrients. These pancakes are a tasty and creative way to enjoy the goodness of beets and to start your day with a nutritious breakfast. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need to do the following ingredients. 1 cup whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, pinch of salt, 1 small beet cooked and grated, 1 ripe banana mashed, 1 cup plant-based milk, such as almond milk or soy milk, 1 tablespoon maple syrup or sweetener of choice, and cooking spray or oil for greasing the pan. And here are the instructions for making a beet pancakes. Number 7. Oat banana pancake recipe, 320 calories. Oat banana pancakes are a nutritious and satisfying option for a healthy breakfast. With 320 calories, these pancakes are made with wholesome ingredients that provide numerous health benefits. Oats are a great source of fiber, which helps promote satiety and aids in digestion. Bananas are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars that provide energy and contribute to a balanced diet. By combining oats and bananas in pancake form, You create a delicious and nutritious meal that will keep you fueled throughout the day. These pancakes are a perfect choice for those who enjoy a hearty healthy breakfast while maintaining a healthy lifestyle. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need to do this following ingredients: 1 ripe bananas, 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup milk of your choice, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, cooking spray or oil for greasing the pan. And here are the instructions for making an oat banana pancakes. And that concludes our list of 7 pancake recipes for weight loss. Do you happen to know any pancake recipes for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!